Electric buses were supposed to be a game changer for us. Kenya is mostly a commuter nation. We walk a lot, and we mostly use public transport to get around. We've been trying to upgrade the petrol buses for a while now. Enter electric buses. Electric buses promised a more comfortable, cheaper ride that was also good for the environment. The government wants EVs to work. Investors have put their money in. We only have one problem. Turns out we cannot meet the demand. SACCOs in Kenya have ordered tens of buses to add to their fleets, but the electric bus companies cannot deliver. First, the two electric bus companies just got started. Busigo launched in 2022 and has only sold 35 buses. Rome, which makes motorcycles, recently started making buses. So far, they've only built 4. Turns out, assembling these buses is taking longer than anyone anticipated. The new companies are still raising capital from investors. In November 2024, Busigo raised $41.6 million to fund their operations. Also, the skilled workers required to build these buses have to be trained, and that takes time. For the buyers, it's been hectic. Importing fully built electric buses is not an option. Kenya charges a 25% import duty on fully built EVs. To help push along these companies, Kenya has removed duties on imported bus parts used in the assembly process. Still, we have a long way to go. Other players need to get into the market. The government also has to play its part. How can it do this? By using tax cuts and cheap electricity to lure investors. Making electric buses is an expensive and labor-intensive affair that will take time to establish, but the local demand is there. More investment is needed.